Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off notifications in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the notifications in your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this menu appears, tap on the settings button over here just above the help and feedback. And over here, guys, you can see there is the notifications options just below the download and storage. Tap on notifications and you can see you will be able to view all of the notifications from the YouTube Music app on this screen. You can find the particular notifications which you want to turn off on the YouTube Music app over here, guys. And if you want to turn off all of the notifications from the YouTube Music app at once, you'll be required to go to the settings of the phone, open up the settings on the phone, and scroll down. You can see the apps button available for us. Tap on apps and tap on the app management button on the top of the screen. And over here at the top of the screen, you can see the search bar. Tap on there and tap and search for YT Music app and open up the YouTube Music app over here. And you can see, guys, here this says the manage notifications option available for us over here just above permissions. Tap on manage notifications and you can see at the top of the screen there is the allow notifications option available for us. Now in order to turn off all of the notifications from YT Music app at once, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the allow notifications, and when it turns off, guys, all of the notifications from YT Music will be disabled or turned off. And with that being said, guys, these are to turn off notifications in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.